Hey there friends, I am HLModTech. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter at all of those locations. What I'm showing you right now is real quickly on Instagram. I have got students that record the cool things they do, and some of them are pretty darn epic. And it's a really fun way to keep up with what we're learning here in HLModTech and for the kids to show off the cool things they learned. Some of the awesome things that we're seeing are these cool Tinkercad projects, and I'm showing you that because I want to show you one that got sent to me today. So in Tinkercad, I consider this my lesson 1, and this little guy is called Thingy Thingy because we don't know what he is, but this person did such a wonderful job. I'm going to grab a couple pieces and I'm going to hide them so that you can see this is what they were supposed to design. It was just a cool little part where we learned how to drop pieces on the different faces of that shape, which those are good words to learn if you're in math class or just learning about geometry. And then the person extended the lesson to have the excellent house just using the skills that were in the training video. And that's what it's all about, is taking a little bit of skillage, getting excited, and turning it into something epic. And then once you've made something epic, where this is my cute little igloo that I created, then you can click the Send To button, and that's how you can share it with somebody so they can see it. They simply need to sign into Tinkercad, which I already did, and then you generate a link, copy the link, and email that to the person that you want them to see your project, and they can instantly check out the cool things you've created. If you've never been to Tinkercad.com before, simply visit the site, and when you hit sign in, use the amazing sign in using social providers. You can create an account instantly by simply clicking the sign in with Google button. Once you sign in, you can just start creating, or I recommend searching for my HLModTech YouTube channel. When you get to HLModTech, if you just move down to the essentials, you can find the Master Tinkercad in Minutes tutorials. And when you look at this list, they are in order. First is how to sign up if you've never done it before, and then here is the cool Tinkercad Genius, where you make this awesome first lesson in Tinkercad that gets you excited and you do cool stuff. Friends, if you make something awesome, please make sure you share it with us on Instagram like I showed you a minute ago, or Facebook or Twitter. If you got a question or a comment, add it below. If you like the video, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Friends, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Keep tinkering.